Friends, today I'm going to show you one of the trick on Excel, how to fix the name on the first name and last names. For example, if you have a first name with capital letter and last name with no capital letter, like here, and then even if you have a capital letter small on the first name and big one in the last name, or you have a mismatched capital letter in between the first name and last name, then you can fix it straight away with very easy way. This is most useful for the people who is using Excel nowadays and they have a long list of names that need to be fixed. For example, if any of your staff are working in the office and they need to fix this all the name with proper capitalization, then this video will help you to do that. So let's go and do it. So we'll just see right. So the formula for this is proper. Then select the number of cells that you are fixing. If you have a long list, then select everything and then press enter. Then here, your name will be fixed. For example, here the B was small, the B is capital, and all the first name and last name are properly written here. So you don't need to do and go manually fix it, everything. Thank you guys. I hope you learned something from Excel. So I'll see you in another video. Bye.